Ethula ubufakazi usomabhizinisi uAbel Manyiki uqale walandisa ngomhlangano abanawo nesikhulu esiphezulu senkampani iDiamond Hill uphiko lomzimpambali okuyiyona nkampani ibambise neBlackbeard Consulting eyagcina ithola umsebenzi ukufulela izindlu ngoAbestos. Uthi lo mhlangano wabanjwa ngaphambi kwesivumelwano sicikici ngokusemthethweni.
Yes, we did meet before that. I did meet Mr. Mpambani before the contract was signed with the department.
Uthi Mpambani wamesemphosa imibuzo ngomsebenzi awenze eSoshanguve enzela umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu waseGauteng ngenhloso yokuthi inkampani yakhe ibe yingxenye lomsebenzi ukufulela izindlu ngoAbestos.
Yes, we did have a discussion at that time, but it was more like I wouldn't want to call it an interview. Somehow I sensed that Mr. Mpambani in that meeting, he wanted to know about my capabilities and what I've been involved with previously. So yes, the meeting said, but it was more of an interview, wanting to know my professional background and so forth.
Uqhube wathi wayalela ukuthi enzele uEdwin Sudi weBlackbeard Consulting umbiko womlando ngomsebenzi ake wawenza.
That presentation, it was required for me to demonstrate more or less what technology was used on projects that I've worked before, in particular the Soshanguve project.
uManyiki uthi wagcina ngawuholelanga wonke lo msebenzi awenza ngaphansi kohlelo lokufulela izindlu ngoAbestos. Lesicao siyaqhubeka ezindabeni zeSABC ngingumbuso Mkhize eGoli.